Our target was quite high, quite strong, but we've made it because our technical analysis helped us and this technical analysis really worked. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam again and we continue our trading on binary options, and today I prepared for you something special because today's target is very hard, it's very cool, and that's what we really like. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like everything and write a comment, come to my Telegram, write me the code word private to get into the special private chat where I post the trading signals. Remember that 80-90% of these trading signals are profitable. And if you want to get a profitable signal and make money on this profitable signal, just come there and check it yourself. And we are getting started. So guys, today we are trading on the Quotex platform and our deposit today is $1 and I will do my best to overclock it more than $10,000, why not? But anyway, we will see the final results in the end. So the first citation for our trading is the levels of resistance and support, and I want to wait a little because if the price passes the internal resistance level and continues to move lower, then I will enter a trade with down. So well guys, I can see that the price is passing our internal support level, so I'm gonna enter a trade here for 1 minute, expecting that the price can move on to our main support level. So guys, let's see with what result our trade will close this time. So guys, it's awesome. Our trade has closed in the profit. As you can see, the price has continued moving to our main support level and we're getting a good profit. So I think we can move on to the next citation. So guys, here you can see the resistance level. I marked it yellow. At the moment the price is impulsively moving to our level, so I reckon to wait for the price to touch our level and then enter a trade with down. Yes, so guys, there is an impulsive movement up to our levels and I'm opening a trade here with down for 1 minute. So let's see what we get here. It's great guys, from the resistance level there is a pullback down, here we're getting the profit. So guys, let's keep on our trading. Well, let's consider the next citation. Here we can notice a good downtrend. Also there is a support level, there is still a place to our level. So I suggest entering trade here with down. And I'll do that with the reserve of 3 minutes. I think this is quite enough. So let's wait for our trade to close. So guys, the trend movement has continued and we are getting the gorgeous profit. So I think we can keep on our trading. Here you can see the resistance level. At the moment the price is approaching our level. You can watch a good upward movement. Well, it's an impulse to our level, so I'm entering a trade with down. And so let's wait for our trade to close and check the results. Well, that's awesome guys, from this level there is a good reaction, the price has gone lower and our trade is bringing us the profit, super. This level has worked out perfectly well, so let's continue. Well, here this is a similar citation, let's enter a trade with down. Since we can watch the good trend in downward movement, also we have a support level and there is still a place to this level and we have every reason to open a trade for a decrease. I think that the price will move on to our support level, so guys, let's see how our trade closes. So guys, there was a slight standstill here, but in the end, after a small flat, the price has gone lower and we have got our profit. Since the price hasn't reached our main level and there is still a place to it, I suggest to trade here again. After a small pullback, now we are waiting for a small pullback up and then enter trade with down once again. So guys, it's perfect. There is a small pullback up and we can open a trade with down. Well guys, after a small pullback there has been an impulse down and we have got the profit. It is quite a dangerous moment here, you know, but we will like it this time. Let's look for another situation and keep on looking our deposit. Well guys, it's the upward trend movement. You can see the main resistance level, the price has already touched this level impulsively and rolled down a little. At the moment the movement has slowed down a little, but I suggest to open a trade with up here for 3 minutes with the reserve, with the expectation that if a small flat continues now or a pullback down will happen. So guys, let's wait for the results of this trade. Well, it's great guys. Almost immediately after having entered the trade, the price has impulsively moved up and broke through the resistance level, and here we're getting the excellent profit. So let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here you can see the resistance level. Now you watch the price has touched our level and rolled down. We also see that the price is starting to approach our level again, and I suggest opening a trade here with up, expecting this level will be broken through very soon, since the price has touched this level third time in a quite short period of time, and there is a chance of breaking through of this level further. So guys, I'm entering a trade with up. So guys, it's great again, the price has impulsively moved up and our resistance level has been broken through. And we are getting the awesome profit. Well, let's move on to the next situation. Here you can notice a downtrend and a support level. The price has already touched this level once and pulled back up. And here it's come up to our level again impulsively. I think that here there will be a small pullback, and I recommend to open a trade with up here for 1 minute. So let's wait for the result. Well, it's awesome. There has been a small pullback from the support level and our trade is getting net positive again. Now we see that the price is coming back to our level, and I think that very soon there will be a breakout of our support level, because the price is moving along the level without pulling back. And I suggest entering here this trade for 3 minutes with the reserve, expecting a small flat may happen, but further I suggest there will be a breakout of this level. So let's enter here for 3 minutes with down. Well guys, it's excellent. The price has impulsively broken through the support level and strongly went down. And here we're getting the good profit. Well, let's keep on now trading. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level. Also there is a small uptrend. You know, it vaguely resembles an ascending triangle. So I suggest entering here with 2 minutes with the reserve on the assumption that the price can make another move down. And I think that soon the level will be broken through. And then the exit from our ascending triangle. So let's see what we will get here. So guys, as I said, the price made another move down. 2 minutes were quite enough here, and we've got the profitable trade. And there has just been an exit to the triangle. So guys, let's move on to the next situation. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level. Now the price has already broken through the level, and we see that the candles are getting smaller. We also see the last candle wick goes down. This means that the price is slowing down, of course. So I'm gonna enter a trade here with down at the pullback point after the level broken through. So let's see if our technical analysis is right this time. Well guys, just at this moment a positive news about the dollar has been published, and we got the great news impulse down. Since the dollar is in the second place of our currency pair, the news is published with positive result, and we're getting the movement in the opposite direction. Well friends, let's continue. Well guys, the next situation for our trading is an ascending triangle. And you can notice the level of resistance and also an uptrend. The price minimum is getting higher and the price is moving along the resistance level. That's why we're entering a trade here with up at the exit of the triangle for 1 minute. It's great, guys. Our price has gone up from the triangle with an impulse, and here we're getting the good profit. So guys, here we have waited for the price to start pulling back after an impulsive movement up, and then we are entering a trade with down. As in most cases, after the impulsive movement up, there is always a pull back down. So let's enter here with down for 1 minute and see what result we can get. It's great, here we got a small pullback down and our trade has closed in the profit. Well guys, let's keep on out trading. Here you can see a strong impulsive downward movement. Also we see that the price has reached the support level and is starting to pull back. So here I'm sure we need to open a trade with up. Surely now there will be a good pullback up. So guys, let's wait for the results, I suppose. Well, it's excellent. From our support level, there is a good pullback up and we're getting the great profit. So guys, we can continue. Here we see the support level, also a good downward movement. You can see that the price has already touched our level and there was a pullback up. After the pullback, the price is again moving on to our support level, So I suggest opening here with down for 2 minutes with the reserve, expecting that the price can move on to our level and as a result it will break it through. So let's wait for the results. It's great, guys. The price has continued its movement to the support level and here we are getting the awesome profit. Well guys, let's continue. Here we see the levels of resistance and support. Here there is some kind of price range and at this moment the price is moving in this range. And I suggest waiting for the price to touch one of these levels and then enter trade in the opposite direction. It's brilliant. The price has come to our level and we are opening a trade for a decrease. We also see that the price has reached our support level and here we're again entering the trade in the opposite direction with $3,000 for an increase. So let's wait for the results of these trades. Well, it's great, guys. This level has worked out perfectly and all of our trades closed in the profit. The price range has worked out perfectly well, so let's wait again for the touch of one of these levels and then open the last trade for today. And I will do this with $4,000. It's perfect, guys. The price has impulsively approached our resistance level and so I'm entering a trade with $4,000 for a decrease. So let's wait for the result of our trade. It's excellent, guys. From this level has been a pullback down and here we're getting the gorgeous profit. So we have made $14,782 and I think that we really have realized our target for today. Our target was quite high, quite strong, but we've made it because our technical analysis helped us and this technical analysis really works. So if you're interested in it, just follow my Telegram, my YouTube channel, subscribe, put your like, yes, come to my Telegram private chat. You know how to do this. Come to my Telegram, write me the code word private. I will add you there. You will see and find a lot of interesting things for yourself. Of course, these things will help you become a successful trader already now, because you remember my creed. It's to do right here and right now, to act, to do your best and never stop, of course. So thank you so much for your attention. See you in the next videos.